To begin, launch WhatsApp on your iOS device. Go to the chat conversation where you want to create the poll. Tap the plus icon next to the chat input bar to access additional options. A menu with various options will appear. Select Poll. Type in the question or topic you want to include in the poll. Type the response options into the provided field. You can add up to 12 options. You will see an option labeled Allow Multiple Answers. Leave this enabled if you want participants to select more than one option. Otherwise, toggle it off. You can drag the 3 lines next to each option to rearrange the order. Once you're satisfied, tap the Send button. The poll will be sent to the chat. As the recipient responds, you will see the results update in real time. Tap View Votes on the poll to see details like who voted for each option. Long press on the poll to access options like marking it as a favorite, replying to the poll, viewing its info, pinning it, or deleting the poll. That's how you can create a WhatsApp poll on your iOS device.